Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our adorable crochet baby frocks designs ideas. These frocks are amazing and easy to make at home, perfect for newborn and special occasion. In this video we will be making a stylish baby frock designs ideas. These are easy to carry home and easy to follow. If you want to make this design at home, you require mini yarn. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and textures. To shape the sleeves, we will use technique. Experiment with different yarn, color and textures. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock styles. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, ruffles, laces and many other accessories you use and decor your baby's frocks easily. And that's it, your crochet baby frock is complete and ready to wear, ready to gifting. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my more crochet ideas, tutorial and pattern designs ideas. So if you want to see more ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah be live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. If you want to buy these all the collection, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. Crochet baby frock and some titles. So please watch this video till end without skip. Crochet baby frock with lace trim ideas, tutorial, floral crochet baby frock pattern, crochet baby frock with embellishments designs, crochet baby frock with cap sleeves, crochet tutorials, ideas, design pattern, long sleeves crochet baby frock for winter season, and many other ideas, many other tutorials, crochet baby frocks with cotton yarn and different pattern and ideas. If you want more information, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. I will upload full DIY tutorial for you. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care. Please be share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, take